The AMZCHEF Espresso Machine EP-20S offers an impressive 20-bar pressure system that enhances the flavor extraction from your coffee grounds. This espresso machine comes with a powerful 1,350-watt motor, ensuring quick preheating and consistent brewing temperatures. Its LED touchscreen allows easy selection between single and double cup options, making your coffee-making experience both convenient and customizable. The machine's durable stainless steel design not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, but also promises longevity. An adjustable milk frothing steam wand is included, perfect for creating creamy, rich microfoam for your cappuccinos or lattes. This user-friendly coffee maker comes with all necessary accessories, catering to both coffee enthusiasts and professional baristas.